Really love the course. Not only will it help me at the contact centre, but at home with children, talking with my husband about what we're going to do, better ways at talking about things, not disagreeing and shutting him down, but actually listening to what he has to say, building that up and working towards something that'll be good for the both of us rather than something that'll just end up to a dead-end argument. Yeah.
So you've got a few new skills, eh?
Lots of new skills, yeah. I'll definitely be recommending it to a lot of people. Yeah, worth taking.